Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to make your Instagram account as professional. So first of all, you will have to log into your Instagram account. I already logged in with to my Instagram account, and click on the profile on the top, on the bottom right corner, and click on edit profile, and under the edit profile you can see switch to professional account. Click on that and it will ask get a free professional account. Click on continue. So it's explaining what are the changes that's going to happen when you switch to the professional account, like reaching more people, see the audience, and get new contact options so that you can add your contact button on your profile. And here you can choose a category from the list of category that is there, and there is a lot of categories available, almost all the categories available. I'm going to choose education, and if you want to display the category label, which means if you want to display the education on your Instagram account, you can choose that and click on next. So it will ask for a final confirmation, and it will change your pending request to automatically approved, and there will be no approval system, and it will be a public account. And it's asking, is it a business or a creator? So if it's for a business, you can choose that. In my case, I'm going to choose creator. Click on next, and so we have completed the profile section, and there is actually one of the 3 steps completed. It's asking for inviting the friends. You have a lot of options like inviting by email, inviting by SMS or WhatsApp, and a lot of other options. So you can invite your friends using any of this option. They can follow you, and here you can share your photos. You can choose 3 photos actually and create a post. Let me create a post with one of the photos. Click on the photo section. So it's opening the camera, so I'm gonna go to gallery and choose one of the photo that is available on my gallery and click on next. You can apply a filter for that picture, and you can give a hashtag so that it will reach more people. In case if you want, you have to put a hash and give some keyword for that. And you can also post to Facebook. You can also share your post to Facebook in case, and Twitter and Tumblr, and click on share option. So I already posted as a professional account, and when I go to profile, you can see that I have the option professional informations available. Here you have option to create Facebook page or connecting to an existing page, and here I can add a business email and business phone number. And profile display, if you don't want to show the education category, you can uncheck that one. And this is how your profile will be shown to the followers and the people and to the public. So that's it. We can create more pictures. We can upload more pictures by using the tab button. Right now our account is already a professional account. I believe this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.